Good morning class. Today we are going to deal fourth chapter and that is the banana lesson. And the moral of the story is cleanliness. The punch point of this story is cleanliness. In this lesson we are going to read about what is the importance of cleanliness. So what is cleanliness? Being clean or keeping things clean comes under the cleanliness. If we maintain cleanliness, we are keeping all diseases away from us. A clean place is healthy and comfortable. But if we are not keeping our surrounding clean, if we are throwing some things here and there, if we are making our surroundings dirty, it will be dangerous for us. It will hurt us and our loved ones. So via the medium of this story, we are going to see that if we are not keeping our surrounding clean, what will be the impact of that situation on us. So in this story there is two main character. First is Aman and second is his sister Alia. So start from the story. First paragraph. This is Aman and his twin sister Alia. Aman is a lazy boy. He gets up late in the morning. Sometimes he forgot to brush his teeth and jump out of the bed to get ready for school. He wears dirty clothes to school and his shoes are unpolished. He does not have a bath every day and his nails are also black and dirty. So here Aman and Alia, they are two siblings. They are brother and sister and they are twin. What is the meaning of twin? Means they are of same age and their birthday is same. So they are of same age, it means they are studying in the same class. So these Aman and Alia, they are very much opposite from each other. Aman is a very lazy boy, just opposite. Alia is very good. Aman is a lazy boy. He gets up late in the morning. Always he wake up late in the morning. He forgot to brush his teeth. He jump out the bed and directly get ready for the school. He doesn't get the brush his teeth. He doesn't get shower. Daily he is ready and without taking bath. His shoes are untidy, it is not polished and he wear always untidy clothes, not ironed, not polished. Means he is not a good boy. He is very unmannered boy. His nails are not good. There are so much dust inside the nails, just why it looks black and dirty. But just opposite Alia, she is a very good girl. She wake up early in the morning, always she brushes her teeth, she take a bath, she wear clean and polished clothes, clean and ironed clothes, proper shoes, comb her hair and her nails is also very clean and well shaped. Trimmed means it is well set. One day during lunch break, Aman was playing with his friend in the classroom. They threw napkins, wrapper, fruit peels, and foil balls at each other. Stop littering the floor with rubbish, shouted Alia at Aman. Aman ignored his sister's voice and kept playing with his friend. So, one day in school, at lunchtime, Aman and his friend, he was a very notorious student in the class. So Aman and his friend, they are throwing all the dirty things on the floor. They are throwing napkins, they are throwing some wrappers of chocolate, peels of some fruits just like orange, banana, foil balls on the floor. Means they messed up the floors. They are littering all the dirty things, all the unwanted things which we have to kept in the dustbin. They are throwing it on the floor and make the floor very much messed up, dirty. So Alia is looking this incident and she is shouting on Aman. She said that stop doing that things. Don't do that because it is not a good things. You are doing wrong things, so please don't do that. But Aman ignored his sister voice. He don't want to listen what Alia is trying to say him. So he is ignoring his voice and keep playing with his friend. He was throwing some napkins, wrappers, fruits, peels of some fruits on the floor. So after that, soon the bell rang for the next period. The teacher saw the litter floor. She understood that this was done by naughty Aman and his friend. So after that, the lunch break is over and the next period is going to be start, and teacher come inside the classroom. He saw the littered things on the floor because it is very much messed up, it is very dirty. She very well understand that who has done this, because Aman was the very much notorious student of that class. She understood that these activities done by Aman and his friend. So she told Aman and all his friends to clean up the classroom. Just as Aman stood up from the chairs, stepped forward, his foot fell on the banana skin. He slipped and fell down with a thud. All children burst into laughter. He sprained his ankle and spent the next 2 days at home. So as his teacher asked him to clean up the classroom, Aman just come forward and he wants to clean the floor, but as he threw the peel of the fruits, there is a peel of banana, his foot come on the peel of banana and he fall down with the skin of banana. He slipped down there and he fell down with the sound of thud. So after looking that, all other students started laughing on Aman because he was fell down on the floor. He got hurt, he injured and he sprained his ankle. So he was not able to come to the school for 2 to 3 days. Means he was getting some lesson. If you are not keeping your surrounding clean, you will also going to be hurt. So he got his lesson and Aman learned a lesson that he should keep himself the surrounding clean. After this incident, he got a lesson that he should keep himself and also all the surrounding clean, because if he was not doing that, it will be harmful for him also. So cleanliness is next to godliness. Means it is very important to keep our surrounding clean, to keep himself clean, because if we are cleaning ourselves, cleaning our surroundings, it will be good, healthy and comfortable for us. That's all for today. Thank you, class.